Lesson 21, Global Cities. Definition of global cities. Central sites for advanced service and facilities of telecommunication which are necessary for the execution and the management of global economic activities. In those sites, corporate headquarters tend to center, particularly companies that are operative in more than one country. So, introduction, the global cities. Major nodes in the interconnected system of information and money and the wealth that they capture is intimately related to the specialized business that facilitates those flows. According to SACEN 2005, global cities are central sites for advanced service and facilities of telecommunication which are necessary for the execution and the management of global economic activities, and those sites headquarters tend to center particular companies that are operating in more than one country. Example of global cities are New York, London, Tokyo, Paris, and Singapore. The global city is therefore the main physical and geographical playground of the globalizing forces in this phase of population concentration, and mixing the global flows of people, capital, and ideas are woven into the daily life experience of its residents. Cosmopolitanism is a phenomenon most readily associated with the global city. Large diversities of people and materials and cultural products from all over the world. The idea of cosmopolitanism usually invokes lengthened image of travel, exploration, and worldly pursuit enjoyed by those who have benefited from globalization and who can in some ways consider themselves citizens of the world.
Ang global cities dahil ang mga global city ay lungsod na may malaking impluwensya sa ekonomiya, politika at kultura sa buong mundo. Ito ay mga sentro ng negosyo, alibangan at internasyonal na relasyon na nag-uugnay sa iba't ibang rehiyon at